Hey everyone, once again welcome back here. How are you doing all? So today we are going to start polymorphism, one of the most important concept in object oriented programming. Let's start it. Polymorphism, polymorphism. Polymorphism has been divided into two parts. First would be poly means many here, and the other part is morph. Morph means form. Form, yes, polymorphism. Poly means many and morph means form here. So if I have to explain the polymorphism, there would be same method but behave differently for different objects. It means that there would be different functionality for different objects here. So there would be same methods behave differently for different objects here. Now if I have to explain very nicely, different objects, suppose whenever you are in your home, you have different behaviors with your parents, but whenever you are moving outside with your friends, you have different behavior with your friends and all. If I have to take one example, so this is the plus. Whenever you are going to add print two numeric value 2 plus 3 here, so it is doing addition here, but whenever you are going to concatenate the two strings, different strings, suppose here print function we have taken here, and after that I'm going to take hello and plus world here, WRLD. So it is doing the concatenation function here. What actually it is doing here? Concatenation. So different forms. Plus has different behaviors for different objects. First one is the addition and second one is the concatenation. This one is the addition and here this one is the concatenation. Concatenation here. It means that it is going to concatenate two different strings. Suppose I am going to take one class here and animal I am going to take. After that I have to define the method here. So speak is the method here, and self print function, and here I'm going to write animal can make sound. It's fine. Now I'm going to take more class here, class dog I'm going to take, and I'm going to define the method, define speak here, and self I'm going to take. Please try to understand it very nice concept I'm going to explain. Print here, and dog barks, yes, as we know dog barks here, and one more class I'm going to take, that would be the cat class. Yes, you heard it right. And method I'm going to define here, and self I'm going to take. So print function I'm going to take cat meows here. Now so if someone is going to ask how to define the methods here, so method, whenever function written inside the class, that is only defined as the method here, because it has written inside the class dog class, animal class and cat class. So method is the same but the function would be different for the different object here. Firstly we are going to create the object here. For the animal class I am going to create the a object here. In object oriented programming we know. And for dog we are going to create D, and for cat we are going to create cat here. Now so here a dot speak firstly I'm going to write, and D dot speak I'm going to write here, and C dot speak I'm calling the method here, speak method. Now you can see the output is animal can make sound, dog barks, cat meows here. Now if you have to explain it with one more example, if you want to take, or you want to solve this method, or you want to write the code for this programming in different way, how can you write it? So firstly command A, command C here, and command V here, and I'm going to remove this all, and here I'm going to define here animals is equal to, in square bracket, firstly I'm going to define here ANIMAL animal here, and the second one is the dog here, and the third one is the cat here, very nicely, and square bracket, close it, and I'm going to create for loop here. Just wait and watch. Yes, for animal in animals, for animal in animals, here I am going to write animal dot speak here. So the same output, the same result, animal can make sound, dog barks, cat meows. So you can use the for loop also. For animal in animals, we have taken another here variable, you can see, and after that for animal in animals and animal dot speak, it has given you the same result. Animal can make sound, dog barks, and cat meows. So you have different methods you can apply whenever you want to apply. Moving to the next example, one more mathematical example I'm going to take. We are going to create the class circle here, and after that we are going to define the area would be the method here, and self we have r in circle, and here I'm going to use print 3.14 into r into r pi r square. So after that I am going to take one more class rectangle here, and I have to put space, it would be more fine. Define method here, area, and self, and I'm going to define length into breadth, so lb I'm going to define here. Print, and here I'm going to take length into breadth. One more class I'm going to take here, so class triangle I'm going to take here, and define area here, and after that area 0.5 into base into height, right? So we are going to take self here, comma b into h. So half into b into h, the area of triangle is half into b into h, and the area of rectangle is length into breadth, and the area of circle is pi r square. So bh I'm going to take here. We are going to define the object here. Print function is there, print, and here 0.5 into b into h here. An object we are going to define for circle, this one. For rectangle, I'm really so sorry, for rectangle r object this if you see this code also, adc is the object for different class. A is the object for animal class, D is the object for dog class, and C is the object for cat class here, and C is the object for circle class here, R is the object for rectangle class here. And again I'm going to take here triangle, so triangle triangle here, and this time I'm going to call it yeah, so how can you call it? C dot area here, and 3 I'm going to take 28.99 pi r square. R dot area here, length into breadth, so 4,5 I have given here. 20 length into breadth, 5 into 4, 20 here. Again half into base into height, area of triangle this time is going to, we are going to find for the area of triangle here. So area of triangle T object we are going to take, and dot area here, so half into base into height. We have to mention the value for the B and value for the H here. We can take anything, 2, 3 here. So half into base into height, so 1 by 2 and 2 to cancel out, so the output is 3 here. I hope you got it. One more example I'm going to take. The area of circle is pi r square, the area of rectangle is length into breadth, and the area of triangle is half into base into height. One more example I'm going to take, one beautiful example. Class aeroplane here. Aeroplane can fly very easily. Def fly method I'm going to take, self here, and again print I'm going to use aeroplane can fly. Aeroplane can fly here. Class bird I'm going to take here. You can take anything, bird can also fly here. Def fly, and self here, and print I'm going to write here bird can fly here. And we are going to create the object for both the classes, aeroplane and the bird class. For aeroplane class we are going to create a1 is equal to aeroplane here, For bird class, we are going to create b is equal to bird, bird here. And after that, we are going to use the method here. So method is fly. Method in which has written inside the class. The function which has written inside the class, that is only defined as the method here. So a1 dot fly, I am going to take, oh, aeroplane can fly, and b dot fly, I am going to take here, bird can fly. You can see, you can take many examples. So I have taken 3 examples only in polymorphism, and if you face any difficulty, then please do let me know in the comment section, and I would be happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for learning. Love you all. Bye. Have a great day.